Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to connect Meta Glasses to Android. In this quick tutorial, let's go over how to connect Meta Glasses to your Android device. First, ensure your glasses are fully charged and ready. On your Android phone, open the Play Store, search for the Meta AI app, and download it. Once installed, open the app and navigate to the Devices section. Enter via the top left menu or the bottom right tab, then tap Add Device, select your Meta glasses from the options, and follow the on-screen instructions. Start by removing any protective tabs, leaving the glasses in the case, and ensuring the case LED flashes blue. If it doesn't, hold the button on the back of the case for 5 seconds. Make sure Do Not Disturb is turned off in your phone settings so notifications don't block pairing. Once LED flashes, the app will detect your glasses, and you can follow the prompts to complete the connection. If your glasses don't have a case, select the No Case option and follow the same step-by-step instructions. Once finished, your Meta glasses will be successfully paired with your Android device, ready to use with the Meta AI app. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.